Hello, my name is Cami and I'm glad you could join me today. We're going to talk about a property tour. I was just on one of the property tours from one of the people in my community, my real estate investing community, and it's in Pennsylvania. So they were able to go over all the numbers and show us what's going on. It was an outdated triplex, so 3 levels, and but it was fully tenanted. But then as the closing was getting near, all of a sudden the tenants moved out. So what do you do then? You had cash flow and you were planning on maybe updating, but you were thinking about doing that later. And now there's no cash flow. You bought the property, closing is coming up, and you don't have money for those renovations to bring in the higher rents that you want. So, well, you look to your community and you tell people about this deal and someone wants to go in with you. So money is found real easy. And so they did remodel. They also added a space, a studio space in the basement. And they also added the garage they are renting out now. So it's in... Yeah, this was a place in Pennsylvania, and the guys that are doing it, the one guy, he's been working on real estate deals for a little while now. And when he started, he wasn't a part of our community, and he lost out on money that he could have had if he would have had the right education. So it is important. You lose out if you don't have the right knowledge. And you also learn from experience, but isn't it wonderful if you're talking to people regularly in your community and they can tell you their experiences and you can learn from them instead of learning from your own $10, $20, $30,000 losses from your own experience. So yeah, join me on the next property tour. I'd like to show you what it's all about, and you can meet some of the people in our community. So there will be a link in the description, and we'll talk to you later.